What's up, y'all? It's draft week. So today we're going to be going through a draft graphic that I made for last year. It's basically just a graphic to announce the day of. So without further ado, let's break it down. So the first layer I have is a solid background color fill that is almost totally black, but it's just a little bit lighter. On the sides, I added the numbers of the 4 guys who we thought might get drafted or had the possibility to. And then I started making the background by using just making rectangles and then putting our texture over top of it, and that'll be hidden in a minute, that break right there. Then I added another rectangle, but then transformed it to make it fit the perspective and added lines to that to make that fit the perspective as well. Then I added in these stars, which have a glow on them. Well, they have a drop shadow, which is a glow, an outer glow, an inner glow, and the stroke. And then I changed the color of those to match our yellow because they look kind of faded and bad. Then I added in our block A, our one color block A that's white, and then so that's just the outline. So what I did is I added an outer glow and a drop shadow to the outline to make that look like it's glowing. Then I added the draft logo and basically cut it out and made it a one color logo and did the same thing to that, gave it an outer glow and a drop shadow. So then we just have the 4 cutouts, and each of them have this inner shadow that is the lighting, I think, coming from this stuff, and obviously edited them all in Camera Raw. And then a few of them, like Noah's, I had to change the color a little bit to match. And then we have the last 2, and then I tweaked the color of all of them a little bit just to make sure the yellows weren't gross. And then I added 3 different color lookups because apparently that's how we did it back in the day. And then I added a whole bunch of drop shadows, literally just a black brush, and then transformed to be more of like an oval, put it on top of their feet because it kind of makes their feet blend into the ground better. And then we added the words draft day, which I very lazily just put an outer glow on it, and it doesn't look that great, but that's what we stuck with. Then I added the lighting that we always use, lighting from the top right, shadow in the bottom left, our color, which makes it extra poppy, and then the bottom info. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for another draft related video coming out this week as well.